Hi, my name is Sarah Partee, and this is my disciplinary literacy reflection. Um, I chose a video, and I got my video from Teaching Channel. The next slide shows my video, and this is the link to my video, and I'm just going to show you that it will open. And this is my video. I'm not going to play it all, but I just wanted to show you how to get to it. Okay, and then my next slide just has the questions and I'm going to answer them. What process did you use to find your resource? So first off, I chose Teaching Channel because it is a thriving online community where teachers can watch, share, and learn diverse techniques to help every student grow. So I thought that was great, and I knew Teaching Channel was a credible and reliable source to find videos, so that's where I went first to find one that fit what I would use for my classroom and personal growth. So the process I used, I thought about what I could use in my classroom as well as for professional growth. So I wanted something that I could use for both. I can use this video for professional growth because I feel like science gets put on the back burner, and I'm guilty of it, especially when I have kids that can't read and are struggling in other areas. I tend to focus more on that, but I have to remember that I can bring in science with those aspects as well. Um, so I need to grow in teaching science, so that's why I chose it. I wanted the video to be engaging and also be informative, so that's why I chose a video, because I feel like an article, someone might read like the key points of it and they don't really go really in depth, but a video kind of keeps you engaged and has music. It is an educational video, and I thought about the audience as well when I chose this video. So I used the form that was given to us online, and it said that you needed to on Blackboard, and that you needed to kind of get at something that your audience would use, and our audience is teachers, so I feel like this is a great video for that. Um, was it easy? Yes, it was easy to find this video because I knew that Teaching Channel had great, credible videos, so I immediately went there and found the video that would fit what I needed it to. What did you discover about disciplinary literacy during this process? The goal of instruction is for students to engage in making sense of the world, was the goal of like this video. And that's what they really hit, was that the goal of instruction is for students to engage in making sense of the world. This disciplinary core ideas are the tools that students use to do so. The disciplinary core ideas are the content, and it had the science broken down into different areas. The new concept of the Next Generation Science Standards is for them to build each year starting from kindergarten. So they start at kindergarten and they go all the way up to the 12th grade. So it's not like they're being introduced to something every year, it's being built on. So I liked that. And they had teachers look at what they were currently doing and what they could change in their instruction. So the video is actually of teachers, and teachers are going through the workshop and they're learning different lessons and ways to teach it rather than just having their students memorize the information. So they have the teachers research, not memorize, and also they will make connections to prior knowledge. So I chose this. The next one is, did you choose it for professional growth or for classroom or both? I chose it for my use and professional growth. And I can use it in my classroom because I teach first grade, and it starts with kindergarten, the Next Generation Science Standards, and it goes all the way to first grade. So I can use it as well, and I can use it for professional growth because it explains how to use these, and I really need to work on teaching science. The next one is, how do you know it's research based? I know it is research based because it uses approaches from our text like self-questioning and making connections, which are both research based strategies. Will it have to be modified? No, because the Next Generation Standards, just like I said before, they start from kindergarten and they progress all the way to the 12th grade. So it is something that I could use and it will not have to be modified. Thank you for listening, and I learned a lot through this assignment.